Amid language row and pushback regarding the national education policy, the Union Minister for Education, Dharmendra Pradhan, delivers his remarks in Tamil at the valedictory session of Kashi Tamil Sangamam 4.0 in Rameshwaram today. Big message from the centre to Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Stalin. Remember, the three-language formula in the National Education Policy 2020 raised concerns over Hindi imposition, after which Tamil Nadu CM rejected to adopt it. Now, the Union Minister giving his address in Tamil. Is this a message by centre for CM Stalin? Listen in.
4.0 நிகழ்ச்சியல் தமிழ் கற்கலம் ஒரு புதிய பதிப்பு மகாகவி பாரதியார் ते मधुर तमिलेश उलगम एलम परबुम बागे सैदल बेनुडुम एंडुर सोनार आदे नमुदु भारतर प्रमदर नरेंद्र मोदी जी अबरगल काशी तमिल संगमम मूलम निरवेट्री करुकी किरार.
And my colleague Tanushka is joining me with more details. Tanushka, a very interesting take by the centre, giving speech in Tamil, not an easy task, but Union Minister for Education Dharmendra Pradhan chose it. What do you think about it?
Precisely, Aditi, amid the language row that has been erupting, and of course the southern parties have been making a huge hue and cry about the language policy as well. This does come in as a very strong and powerful move, and a very deliberate one by the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. This was his valedictory address in the ceremony of the Kashi Tamil Sangamam. This was the 4th edition of the Sangamam at this point, and what the minister said to roughly translate, he says that the Ramayana itself bears witness to the connection between Kashi and Rameshwaram. And the Mahakavi, the great poet Bharati, learned spiritually in Kashi and said that a tool was necessary so that what is spoken in Kashi could also be heard in Kanchi. And this is what the entire essence of the Kashi Tamil Sangamam is what Union Minister also says. And he also goes on to say that though we differ in food, attire and language, we are united by the spirit of India. And it is this spirit that brings together the Kashi Tamil Sangamam, which is also, he noted, a very strong initiative by the Prime Minister as a civilizational effort and not just as a cultural effort. So this also comes at the backdrop of the pushback that has been received in the southern states with respect to the national education policy as well. And the fact that the minister, the Union Minister at this point, chose to learn bits of Tamil and address in Tamil as well really comes across as a powerful message. Back to you.
Absolutely.